Welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. I'm going to make ewedu. These are the things needed for ewedu. You have your locust bean, your baking soda instead of potash, and then your ewedu, and then your salt to taste. Previously, the ewedu has been detached from the stem and it has been washed. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to a pot where I have locust bean and a little water. Heat up the water. Once it boils, add the ewedu. Allow it to boil 3 times or more. Do not overcook. You could add more salt to taste. If you do not want to put hot food in your blender, all you have to do is put the ewedu in a bowl and then you put it in a bigger bowl that has water inside, just as I've done, and then you cool it a bit before you put it in the blender. This method eliminates the raw taste that ewedu has if you blend before you cook. You could serve the ewedu with gbegiri, which I'll be showing you in my next video.